वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता शोर की तरफ बढ़ा।
He moved slowly toward the noise. He moved slowly toward the noise.
मैंने आहिस्ता से मेज पर किताबें मुरतब की।
I gently compiled the books on the table. I gently compiled the books on the table.
इसने सर को हल्की सी हरकत से इशारा किया।
He signaled with a slight movement of his head. He signaled with a slight movement of his head.
कागज बोतल के नीचे चिपका हुआ था।
The paper was stuck to the bottom of the bottle. The paper was stuck to the bottom of the bottle.
इसका ताल्लुक अपने बास से है।
She is related to her boss. She is related to her boss.
मेरी नई कार साबिक़े कार से ज्यादा तेज चलती है।
My new car moves faster than the former car. My new car moves faster than the former car.
मेरे पास इस मुलाकात के लिए आज का पूरा वक्त है।
I have the whole of today for this meeting. I have the whole of today for this meeting.
उसने अपने आदमियों से कहा कि वो हरकत ना करें।
He told his men not to move. He told his men not to move.
परिंदा नजरों से ओझल हो गया।
The bird vanished from sight. The bird vanished from sight.
वो दोपहर 2 बजे के करीब पहुंचे।
They arrived around 2 in the afternoon. They arrived around 2 in the afternoon.